France's next-generation multirole fighter, the Rafale F5, is poised to significantly enhance its offensive capabilities with the ability to carry up to 18 smart cruiser missiles. This groundbreaking update was revealed at the recent Paris Air Show, where the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA, detailed the aircraft's new role in overwhelming enemy surface-to-air missile defenses. Developed by MBDA as part of the Future Air-to-Ground Weapon, Armament Air Sol Futur, AESA, program, the smart cruiser missile is tailored specifically for the suppression and destruction of enemy air defenses, SEAD/DED. The introduction of this weapon marks a crucial step in restoring France's capacity to neutralize complex, mobile air defense networks, an essential requirement given the modern anti-access/area denial, A2/AD, strategies employed by potential adversaries. The Rafale F5 project centers around a significant modernization of the fighter platform, with initial operational capability slated for 2033 and full operational status by 2035. Besides integrating the hypersonic ASN-4G nuclear missile, the Rafale F5 will feature an advanced RBE-2XG active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, upgraded electronic warfare tools, and cutting-edge data connectivity systems. Notably, the aircraft will operate alongside a heavy combat drone derived from the Neuron demonstrator, facilitating coordinated jamming, reconnaissance, and strike missions. The smart cruiser missile's integration is far more than an incremental weapons upgrade. Rafale F5S will carry 3 hexalauncher pods, each loaded with 6 missiles, enabling a powerful saturation strike of up to 18 precision-guided cruise missiles in a single sortie. These missiles will operate cooperatively, dispersing near enemy defenses, dynamically adjusting flight paths mid-mission, and maintaining continuous data links with their launch platform. Artificial intelligence embedded within the missiles will enable real-time mission redasking to respond flexibly to battlefield conditions. Designed within a network-centric warfare framework, the smart cruiser is not a standalone weapon but part of an integrated system of munitions and unmanned platforms sharing targeting intelligence and threat data. This collaborative approach focuses on systematically dismantling enemy air defense architectures by compelling operators to expose their positions or become overwhelmed, thus opening corridors for friendly forces while reducing risk to manned and unmanned assets. Strategically, this combination of Rafale F5 and smart cruiser reimagines France's offensive air doctrine. Moving away from reliance on limited, high-value strike aircraft, the emphasis now is on distributed, resilient, and adaptive engagement methods that can operate effectively in highly contested airspaces. This transformation ensures France's ability to initiate and sustain air operations despite sophisticated enemy denial tactics, whether independently or within multinational coalitions. Looking ahead, the Rafale F5 will transcend its traditional fighter role, evolving into a pivotal element within a broader system of systems architecture that blends high-performance aviation, electronic robustness, and coordinated manned-unmanned operations. MBDA's smart cruiser missile thus represents not merely a weapon but a cornerstone of a future operational concept designed to reshape air dominance in the increasingly contested battle spaces of the 21st century.